Good morning, students. How are you? Hope very fine. Good, you are all of you very fine. Okay, today is Thursday, 9th April 2020, and this is your science teacher, Teacher AFREEN. Okay, class, today we are not going to touch our learner's book or any activity book. Today I will show you one video. This will be related to Unit 6 and it will be related to the topic hearing sounds. As before we study about the sounds and voices and loud sounds and soft sounds, so in this video all will be revised. This will be a type of revision. Okay, so look carefully and enjoy. Okay class, we have one video, let's see it. And one thing more I want to say, after finishing the video there are some short question answers, so look the video carefully and after you have to do your homework yourself.
When you're awake and someone else is asleep, be quiet, don't make a peep. Oops! But if you're stuck in a tree, be as loud as you can be. And if you hurt your toe, let us all know. Ouch! Quiet or loud. When the teacher's talking, don't run around and shout. And when you're in the library, don't rock out. Shh! But when you're on a roller coaster, you can scream so loud. And when you sing your favorite song, step right up and sing it proud. Me, me, me. Quiet or loud. When Terry's time to talk, don't bang on the drum. But if Ned is pushing now, then it's okay for you to yell, hey! Be quiet while you're at a show. Don't grab a horn and start to blow. Sorry. Quiet or loud. Quiet or loud.
Now your homework is number 1, name any 5 soft sound sources. Means you have to see in your home, around your home, and what you are thinking they are the soft sound sources, so you have to name them. Choose easy spellings. And number 2, name any 5 loud sound sources. Means again you have to look around your home and look what are the sources making loud sounds, name them, and you can draw the pictures and you can color them. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye students.